Welcome to the Millionaires Club. Today's topic is why savings rate should be greater than 50%. Most of the people spend 30 to 35 years climbing the corporate ladder, waiting until their early 60s to finally own their time. Traditional financial advice tells us to save 10 to 20% of our income. But here is the reality. At a 10% savings rate, it takes 9 years of work to save for just 1 year of your living expense. That pace keeps you on the treadmill for decades. When you push your savings rate to 50% or higher, the math completely shifts. At 50%, every single year you work buys you a full year of living expense. Your timeline for financial freedom drops from 40 years down to under 15 years. Let's look at how people make this work in real life. First, the high income earner. Take Alex. Alex earns a strong salary, but instead of upgrading a luxury lifestyle, Alex caps living expense at 45% and automatically invests the remaining 55%. By controlling lifestyle creep, Alex converts a high income into lasting wealth, buying the total financial independence in under 14 years. The next scenario, dual income household. Meet Maya and Sam. They are a married couple earning two steady paychecks. Rather than expanding their lifestyle to match their combined income, they made a strategic choice. Live entirely on Maya's paycheck and invest 100% of Sam's. In less than a decade, the compounding returns on Sam's paycheck produce enough passive income to cover their basic living cost entirely. Finally, the house hacker. Housing is almost everyone's largest monthly expense. Jordan tackled this head on by purchasing a duplex, living in one unit, and renting out the other. The rental income covers the mortgage, virtually eliminating Jordan's rent expense overnight. That single decisive move immediately pushed Jordan's saving rate past 50%. The dual effect and core takeaway. Notice what all three scenarios have in common: the dual effect. When you save 50% or more, you get a double boost. First, your investment portfolio builds twice as fast. Second, because you are living on half of your income, the total nest egg you need to retire is half as large. The dual force shrinks decades of work into years. Achieving a 50% savings rate is not about deprivation or living a tiny life. It's about intentional priorities and buying back your time. Whether you cut your housing cost, controlling your lifestyle inflation, or living on one income, every step closer to 50% speeds up to your clock. Supercharge your savings rate today and climb your financial independence. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.